Why are protection schemes challenging in renewable-heavy power grids? Imagine a power grid that's more like a busy highway with many cars coming from different directions. Now add in solar panels and wind turbines instead of traditional vehicles. It's a whole new traffic pattern. This change makes protecting the grid more complicated. Protection schemes are like traffic lights that detect accidents and clear the road. In old systems, these lights relied on predictable traffic jams caused by big machines called synchronous generators. These generators can send high fault currents that are easy to spot. But with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, the story is different. These sources use power electronic inverters that limit the amount of fault current they produce. So, when a fault happens, the current might be too low for the protection devices to notice. This makes it harder to detect problems quickly. Plus, the grid structure is changing. Instead of a one-way flow of electricity from power plants to homes, energy now flows in both directions. This bidirectional flow confuses the protection devices, which are designed to work with one-way traffic. They might trip when they shouldn't or fail to trip when they should. The variability of renewable sources adds another layer of difficulty. Weather conditions can change rapidly, causing wind turbines and solar panels to produce different amounts of power. When the system loses conventional power plants, the grid loses inertia, which is like the momentum that keeps everything stable during faults. Without it, the system becomes more sensitive to disturbances. Many existing protection devices are based on old assumptions about fault currents and directions. Upgrading these devices can be expensive and take time. Engineers are working on solutions like adding machines, called synchronous condensers, that can mimic traditional generators and provide necessary fault currents. New protection schemes that don't depend on high fault currents are also being tested. Microgrids with high renewable content have shown some success with these new methods, but applying them to large, national grids is still a challenge. Overall, the main issues are lower and less predictable fault currents, complex network layouts, fluctuating power sources, and outdated protection equipment. Solving these problems requires new technology, better planning, and smart system design to keep the grid safe and reliable as renewable energy becomes more common.